To open up ANSYS, go to the Windows search bar and type Workbench. Once Workbench opens up, go into Component Systems and drag a geometry into the project schematic. Select the geometry cell, right-click, and choose New Spaceclaim Geometry. Once Spaceclaim opens up, go into File and Open. Your STL won't show up, so go and change the file type to .stl. Choose RF Trial Low and Open. Go to the Facets tab, Shrink Wrap, choose the body, and change the gap size to 0.2 millimeters. Next, go to the Design tab, scroll out until you see the world origin, click New Plane, and then click on the origin. Zoom back into the rat femur, and let's view it from the X direction. Select this plane twice, and then we're going to move those two additional planes to the extents of the geometry we want to model. Next, go to the Tools tab, Skin Surface tool, and select two planes. This is okay. Go ahead and click the green tick mark. You see this has made a surface. We're going to go ahead and do the same for this pair of planes. Exit out of that and go to the Repair tab and click Stitch. It found one edge, which is what we want. Go ahead and click Complete. Now we only have one surface. So now we're done with the shrink wrap. We can go ahead and suppress that and hide it.